get some of that butter splat. Drop that into the pan. Get that broccoli sauce. Sprinkle that right there in that pan. Get that Creole seasoning. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Get that black pepper. Make sure you get a lot of that black pepper. Get that Lawry's. You need that Lawry's. Throw some of them green onions up in there. Mix that around with that spatula. Then you get that egg. You gonna crack it. Then you about to whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Get that egg roll. And you about to fold corner. Get that egg wash. You about to seal it like an envelope. Seal it. Roll that real tight. Roll it real tight. You know it. Then you gotta drop them into that oil. You gonna make sure they get a little, little brown golden right there. Crispy. You want it crispy. Yep. Then you gonna start taking them out. Woo! Look at them bad boys right there. That's the finishing product. Can't nobody say I can't cook.